Hello! In this video I will show you how to enable Google Assistant to work on lock screen on Redmi A3. So you have to start with opening your Google application and then click on your avatar and go to settings, then click on Google Assistant and click on Hey Google and voice match. Now click here on Hey Google and click on more and I agree, more, I agree, then click next, next, more, I agree, and now click on voice model and click on retrain voice model. Okay Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. Now click on next, next, more, I agree, and now we can go back, and you can go back again, and now click on lock screen. Then click yes, I'm in, and make sure that this first option stays on, and now let's check if my Google Assistant works on lock screen. Okay Google. And as you can see, my Google Assistant works on lock screen. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.